The verse says, Drishtvatam Mahad Adbhutam. This Adbhutam means Adbhuta Ras. This is the Gona Ras, this fear, this amazing sight. So then they requested Prahlad Maharaj, who actually caused Lord Nrsimhadev to appear, to kill his father, to go forward in the peace of the Lord. So Prahlad Maharaj, he was very affectionate. Nrsimhadev placed his hand on Prahlad's head. And he became completely pure, and he offered so many nice prayers and glorification of the Lord, and he pacified him. There's a nice purport about how the Lord is always satisfied. He doesn't need service from anyone. Sometimes people say, well, why does Krishna want us to hear and chant and remember him? It seems like he's egoistic or he's self-centered.